A health alert tonight. The FDA approved a drug that could delay Alzheimer's symptoms.
Yeah, the news came a little too late for one patient here in Florida. And Fox 35's Marie Ettinger spoke to her about her journey and how this new drug could really help other families.
Michelle Hall was about 51 years old when she started noticing something was wrong.
I kept saying, what's wrong with me? Why can't I do the things I've always been able to do?
At first, her doctors thought her symptoms might just be stress or menopause. About 2 years later, she finally got the diagnosis: Alzheimer's, a degenerative disease that kills brain cells, wiping out memory and eventually leading to death.
We get diagnosed and sort of both go into shock. And what we didn't ask, and the doctor's like, well, we'll see you again in a year. For like a year, that's like forever. We want to come back tomorrow.
A drug just approved by the FDA, Leqembi, claims to delay the advancement of that disease for people in its early stages. The Alzheimer's Association of Central Florida says it's the first of its kind.
This could mean more time recognizing a spouse, a child, a grandchild, more time to plan for the future, more time to participate in hobbies and interests that they have. So yes, it's a very meaningful step in the right direction.
There is a catch. Leqembi is very expensive. Medicare will cover it, but only if the patient goes on a federal registry.
Registries, of course, are important for learning about the long-term implications and effects for drugs when used in the real world. We're hopeful that that registry requirement won't be a roadblock to people trying to access the drug.
Hall is actually on a different drug, Addihelm. She happened to get coverage before Medicare decided against covering that drug, and we talked while she was at an infusion center getting the medication. To switch to Leqembi, she'd have to stop taking Addihelm for as long as a year. That's a big risk she isn't sure she wants to take. But Hall thinks Leqembi will be life-changing for other families.
This isn't a death sentence in any way. I do everything the way I usually do it. If I go for a run, that's what I always do. And I tell people the same thing, which is just do your life, whatever your life is, and go forward and be happy.
Marie Ettinger, Fox 35 News.